The lazy millionaire fact or fiction. Tired of the daily grind? Yearning for financial freedom? The lazy millionaire method might be your ticket to escape. Lazy doesn't mean work shy, it means working smarter, not harder. It's about building a system that generates wealth with minimal effort, freeing you to pursue your passions. The lazy millionaire method is about leveraging your time, skills, and resources to create sustainable income streams that flow even when you're not actively working. It's about replacing the traditional 9-to-5 grind with a more flexible and fulfilling lifestyle. Imagine waking up without an alarm clock, spending your days on your terms, and watching your wealth grow effortlessly. The beauty of this method lies in its simplicity and adaptability. It's not a one-size-fits-all scheme, but a framework you can tailor to your unique skills and interests. Whether you're a tech-savvy entrepreneur or a creative soul, the principles remain the same. Automate, generate passive income, and invest wisely. By mastering these three pillars, you can unlock a life of financial freedom and personal fulfillment. This isn't about getting rich quick, it's about building lasting wealth and creating a life of freedom and choice. So if you're ready to ditch the rat race and embrace a more fulfilling way of life, keep reading. The Lazy Millionaire journey starts now. The traditional 9-to-5 workday is a relic of the past, a system designed for efficiency but often leading to burnout and unfulfilled dreams. The lazy millionaire method challenges this outdated model, offering an alternative path to financial security and personal satisfaction. It's about breaking free from the shackles of a job you tolerate and building a life you love. Imagine waking up each morning excited about the day ahead, setting your own hours, and pursuing projects that ignite your passions. This is the promise of the lazy millionaire lifestyle. It's about reclaiming your time and energy, investing them in what truly matters to you. But escaping the 9-to-5 grind isn't just about working less, it's about working smarter. It's about leveraging technology, automation, and strategic outsourcing to create a business or income stream that runs smoothly, with or without your constant supervision. The first step in this journey is identifying your strengths and passions. The Lazy Millionaire method encourages you to explore your interests, develop valuable skills, and create a business or income stream that aligns with your passions. In the world of the lazy millionaire, automation is king. It's the secret sauce that transforms tedious tasks into effortless processes, freeing your time and energy for more meaningful pursuits. Think of automation as your personal army of robots, tirelessly working behind the scenes to keep your business or income streams running smoothly. From managing emails and scheduling appointments to processing orders and handling customer inquiries, countless tasks can be automated, freeing you from the drudgery of repetitive work. Imagine waking up to a flood of orders processed while you slept, or having your social media posts scheduled and published without lifting a finger. The beauty of automation lies in its accessibility. Countless tools and software are available, catering to every budget and technical skill level. By embracing automation, you're essentially cloning yourself, multiplying your productivity without sacrificing your precious time. This allows you to focus on the high-level tasks that require your unique skills and expertise, while the mundane, repetitive work takes care of itself. The lazy millionaire isn't afraid to leverage technology. They embrace it as a powerful tool for achieving freedom and efficiency. Imagine waking up to a notification that money has been deposited into your account, all while you were sleeping. That's the magic of passive income, a cornerstone of the lazy millionaire method. It's about creating income streams that generate revenue with minimal ongoing effort, providing you with financial freedom and peace of mind. Passive income isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building sustainable streams of revenue that flow consistently over time. It's about putting in the initial effort to create an asset that generates income on autopilot, freeing you to focus on other pursuits. The possibilities for generating passive income are as diverse as your imagination. From creating and selling online courses to investing in dividend-paying stocks, from writing an ebook to renting out a spare room on Airbnb, there are countless ways to create income streams that work for you, even while you sleep. The key is to identify your strengths, explore different options, and find the passive income streams that align with your interests and goals. This creates a virtuous cycle of freedom and abundance, allowing you to escape the 9-to-5 grind and live life on your terms. Smart investments. Let your money work for you. In the world of the lazy millionaire, money isn't meant to sit idle in a savings account, slowly eroded by inflation. It's meant to be put to work, generating more wealth through strategic investments. It's about making your money work as hard as you did to earn it, if not harder. Smart investing isn't about gambling on the stock market or chasing get-rich-quick schemes. It's about making informed decisions based on research, diversification, and a long-term perspective. The world of investing offers a vast array of options, from stocks and bonds to real estate and precious metals. Each asset class comes with its own set of risks and potential rewards, and the key is to find the right mix that aligns with your financial goals and risk appetite. Don't be afraid to seek guidance from financial advisors or educate yourself through reputable sources. By harnessing the power of compound interest, your money multiplies over time, generating passive income and securing your financial future. Time freedom, the ultimate luxury. In a world obsessed with material possessions, the lazy millionaire method recognizes a different kind of wealth, time freedom. It's about reclaiming your most precious resource, your time, and spending it on what truly matters to you. It's about breaking free from the shackles of a rigid schedule and embracing a life of flexibility and choice. Imagine waking up without an alarm clock, setting your own hours, and dedicating your days to pursuits that ignite your passions. Whether it's traveling the world, spending quality time with loved ones, or pursuing a long-neglected hobby, time freedom allows you to live life on your terms. It's about breaking free from the tyranny of the urgent and embracing the freedom to choose how you spend each precious moment. Time freedom isn't just about leisure, it's about reclaiming control over your life. It's about escaping the hamster wheel of a 9-to-5 job and designing a lifestyle that aligns with your values and aspirations. Achieving time freedom requires a shift in mindset. Ditching the hustle mentality. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle mentality, the relentless pursuit of more money, more status, more achievements. But this constant striving often comes at a cost: burnout, stress, and a nagging sense of never being enough. The lazy millionaire method challenges this paradigm, offering a more balanced and sustainable approach to success. It's not about working yourself to the bone or sacrificing your health and well-being on the altar of achievement. It's about working smarter, not harder, leveraging systems and strategies to create a life of abundance without the constant grind. It's about recognizing that true wealth encompasses more than just financial resources. It encompasses time, freedom, and personal fulfillment. Ditching the hustle mentality starts with redefining success. It's about identifying your values, setting clear boundaries, and prioritizing activities that align with your passions and goals. The lazy millionaire method encourages you to slow down, appreciate the simple things, and prioritize experiences over material possessions. The lazy millionaire method isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a philosophy, a mindset, a way of approaching life and work that can be adapted to suit individual circumstances and aspirations. It's for those who crave freedom and flexibility, who yearn to break free from the constraints of a traditional career path and design a life on their terms. Are you tired of trading your precious time for a paycheck? Do you dream of escaping the 9-to-5 grind and pursuing your passions? Are you ready to take control of your finances and build a life of abundance and freedom? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then the lazy millionaire method might be the perfect fit for you. This approach appeals to a diverse group of individuals: entrepreneurs seeking to escape the hamster wheel of their businesses, employees yearning for more freedom and flexibility, creatives looking to monetize their passions, and anyone seeking financial independence and a more fulfilling life. It's for those who are willing to challenge conventional wisdom, to think outside the box, and to embrace unconventional paths to success. It's for those who are willing to put in the initial effort to build systems that generate passive income, freeing them to pursue their passions and live life on their terms. The lazy millionaire method isn't about overnight success or get-rich-quick schemes. It's about playing the long game, building sustainable wealth and freedom through patience, persistence, and a commitment to continuous learning. It's about embracing the journey, celebrating small victories, and staying the course even when progress seems slow. Building a life of financial freedom and personal fulfillment takes time and effort, It requires a willingness to learn new skills, to adapt to changing circumstances, and to persevere through challenges and setbacks. It's not always easy, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Start by identifying your goals, developing a plan, and taking consistent action towards your desired outcome. Celebrate your progress along the way, no matter how small. The lazy millionaire understands that success is a marathon, not a sprint, and they approach the journey with patience, persistence, and unwavering belief in their ability to achieve their dreams. The lazy millionaire method isn't just about accumulating wealth for personal gain, it's about building a legacy of freedom and abundance that extends beyond your lifetime. It's about creating a ripple effect that positively impacts your family, your community, and the world around you. Imagine passing down not just financial resources, but also a legacy of entrepreneurship, financial literacy, and a passion for living life on your terms. Imagine inspiring others to break free from limiting beliefs, to pursue their dreams, and to create a life of purpose and meaning. Building a legacy of wealth and freedom starts with a shift in mindset. It's about recognizing that your actions today have the power to shape the future, not just for yourself, but for generations to come. It's about using your resources wisely, investing in your community, and supporting causes that align with your values. The lazy millionaire understands that true wealth encompasses more than just financial resources. It encompasses the positive impact you have on the world around you. The lazy millionaire method isn't a spectator sport, it's a call to action, an invitation to take control of your life and create a future filled with freedom, abundance, and purpose. The journey starts now, with a single step, a decision to embrace a different path, a commitment to building a life on your terms. Don't wait for the perfect moment or for all the answers to magically appear. Start where you are, with what you have, and take that first step towards your dreams. Embrace the principles of automation, passive income, and smart investing. Challenge conventional wisdom, think outside the box, and never stop learning and growing. The path to financial independence and personal fulfillment is rarely linear. It's filled with twists, turns, and unexpected detours. Embrace the lazy millionaire method, embark on your journey to financial independence, and create a life that truly reflects your values, passions, and aspirations.